It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're going to have so much fun drawing something super cool, a Rubik's Cube. It's that colourful little cube with lots of tiny squares that love to mix and twist around. Have you ever seen one before? Of course you have. It's like a rainbow box that got all jumbled up. Ooh, I have a fun question for you. Can a cube play hide and seek? Maybe. Because all the colours keep hiding from each other and mixing up. Ha 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 ha, silly cube. As we draw, let's imagine this cube is a magic toy. What if every time you turn it, it says boop or beep beep? That would be so funny. I think I would giggle every time I twist it. All right, friends, get ready to watch, smile, and enjoy the magic of drawing. We finished the cube. It's ready for some colours. All right, friends, we're going to trace over the lines and make them thicker. Ooh, look at that! It's getting stronger and clearer, like a super cube. It's looking even more amazing. Ta-da! Wow! Ha-ha. Look at all those colours. Our cube looks super happy and amazing. It's colouring time. Let's bring our cube to life with colours. Colour orange. All right, friends, let's start with this bright, happy orange. It's like a yummy orange fruit or a glowing sunset in the sky. I love how warm and cheerful this colour feels. Do you think orange is a happy colour? I think it is. It feels like a big warm hug. Keep watching. This looks so fun. Colour yellow. Now let's use sunny yellow. It's so bright, like the sun shining in the sky. Let's gently fill in the square. I think this part of the cube is smiling now. Do you like yellow? It reminds me of sunshine, bananas, and happy mornings. Colour red. All right, time for a bold red. Look at that. It's so strong and bright, like a juicy apple or a fast race car. This colour really stands out. Let's colour it in. It's getting so bold and beautiful. I think this side is saying, look at me. Ha ha, silly cube. Colour blue. Now let's colour with cool blue. It's like the sky and the ocean, so calm and pretty. This colour feels nice and relaxing. I think this part of the cube is feeling cool, like a breezy day. Do you like the ocean? Maybe this blue square is a tiny sea. Colour green. And now let's use fresh green. It's like grass, trees, and leaves. This colour makes me think of nature and little plants growing. Wow, it's looking so fresh already. I think this cube is turning into a tiny garden. Look at our Rubik's Cube, friends. It's like a tiny colourful box that got all mixed up after a super silly dance party. I think the red colour was dancing with the blue, and the yellow was spinning around going, wee. And then, oops, everyone got all scrambled. Now the cube is like, oh no, where did my colours go? Silly cube. Don't worry, we're here to make you look nice and happy again. What is a Rubik's Cube? That's a fun question. A Rubik's Cube is a tiny colourful puzzle that you can twist and turn in so many directions. Look at it. It has lots of little squares, and each one has a colour. But oh no, sometimes all the colours get mixed up. And the fun part is trying to put all the colours back together again so each side matches perfectly. It's like a little rainbow puzzle box that says, come play with me. Isn't that so fun? Did you know, friends, that some people practice solving the Rubik's Cube every day? Yes, every day. They learn special moves and patterns to help them solve it faster and faster. Some people can even solve it super quickly, like Zoom Zoom. It's almost like magic. But it's not magic. It's practice and learning. That's why this cube is so amazing. It teaches you to keep trying. Oh, I have a funny idea, friends. What if this cube is actually a tiny house? And inside, there are little color people running around. I'm red. I'm blue. Wait for me, yellow. And now they're all in the wrong rooms. Knock, knock. Hello? Anybody home? Ha 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 ha, silly cube house. Who plays with a Rubik's Cube? Ooh, lots and lots of people do. Kids, big kids, grown-ups, and even super-fast puzzle experts. Some people play with it for fun. Some people try to solve it really quickly. And some just like twisting it around because it feels fun. Anyone who loves colors and puzzles can enjoy a Rubik's Cube. Even you can try one someday. Playing with a Rubik's Cube helps you learn something very important: patience. That means taking your time and not rushing. Sometimes the cube can be tricky, and that's okay. You just keep trying slowly and carefully. Just like coloring, right? Nice and easy, no rush. And guess what? When you finally solve it, it feels so good. Ooh, look at this, friends. It's like a rainbow got cut into tiny little squares and put into a box. Snip, snip, snip. But uh-oh, someone shuffled the rainbow. Now red is hiding, blue is confused, and green is like, where am I? Silly rainbow cube. Can the Rubik's Cube be solved? Yes, it can. Even if it looks super mixed up, there is always a way to fix it. You just have to twist and turn it carefully, step by step, until all the colors match again. It's like helping all the colors find their way back home. Come back, little colors. And when it's solved, wow, it looks so perfect. Did you know there are different kinds of Rubik's Cubes? Some are small, some are big, and some even have more squares. Ooh, imagine a giant cube with so many tiny pieces. But no matter the size, they all have one thing in common. They're colorful, fun, and full of surprises. Even if you don't solve the cube, that's totally okay. Just twisting it, turning it, and watching the colors move is already so much fun. It's like a toy that you can play with again and again. There's no wrong way to enjoy it. Just have fun. One of the most amazing things about the Rubik's Cube is that it teaches you to keep trying. Even if it feels hard at first, you don't give up. Ta-ta-ta. Look at our super cool Rubik's Cube. So many colors, so much fun. I hope you loved this drawing adventure. If you did, tap subscribe to Draw Time so we can have more happy coloring days together. Bye-bye. Stay awesome.